Hi, I'm Jennifer Thorn.
I'm Erin Herron.
We're with Realty One and also with Jerry's Homes. We're excited to be here today talking to you about our Bridgewater plan in Angel Park. The address of the home we're located at today is 3656 164th Street in Clive.
This house is amazing. It totally checks all the boxes. It's a mom's dream house, fabulous kitchen, huge family room, front office, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and the master bath is to die for.
It is, and everybody in this home is attached to a bathroom, which is awesome. It'll make the mornings go much easier when you're getting ready for school and work every day. We've got an awesome $10,000 builder promotion on this home, so come see us. We'll be able to show you how you can use that free $10,000 from Jerry's Homes. We can offer blinds, appliances, even help towards the basement finish. So come out and see us.
We'll be here from 2:30 to 4:30, open house Sunday.